Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got 2011 model Ford Mondeo. Have a look what happened to the tailgate lamp inside one. Parking on. Yeah, you can see this side working, this side not work. Basically it's come with the complete unit. I'm going to show you how we're going to change this inside lamp. Okay, let's go to the job. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of useful video like this. First of all, we need to remove this trim, and after that we need to remove this whole section. Then after that we have access to the this light. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how we going to change this trim. Basically it's holding with two screw, one here, one there. Once you remove these two screws, then after that you need to go underneath the door panel and remove the door panel trim. Just slowly from one side to you have to open the panel. Right, lift it like that. Yeah. Right, nice. Roll out. Now we have access to inside nut. Right, we are going to remove that bolt here and the one bolt this side. Basically this nut spinning, other side nicely came out. You can see here this side came out nicely, this edge spinning. Basically I can't remove, but no need to worry. We have to remove this screw, then another screw here, these two screws. After that you can see another two screw, one here and one there in the other side also. Well, when you remove the six screws, basically we can remove this panel. That's why I'm going to leave it this one as it is, and I'm going to remove six screws. Sometimes we have to go DIY job because of the edge, it sees up. Little bit piddly design. What to do? Another two other side, and also one here and one there. Right, and already we remove this side 2 screws. Once I remove that 6 screws, then after that, if you want, you can pull the complete unit, this one pull downwards, and the little bit piddly you can remove it, but I don't want to go that far. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lift up from here. You can see now it's more than enough for the my job. Then I'm going to leave it like that, and already I remove inside the light. You can see one nut here and the one nut there, both already I remove from that light. Now it's ready to come out. Then after that, we can lift up and remove the light. See, we have a much space there. Right, now complete light out. Then I'm going to compare new one and old one. New one we bought from the main dealer. It's nearly 300 pounds, right? All exactly same. Then I had to remove this screw. Yeah, then after that, I'm going to reinstall new one. Going to install new one. Same thing, we have to repeat the opposite way. Right, it's in now. Then after that, we have to install 2 bolts behind the light, and after that connect the wiring, connect and have a look what's going on there. Right, now that light secure. Then after that, we are going to connect that electrical connector and make sure all working fine. Right, right, you can see this side work and other side also work fine. After that, I'm going to install what I removed. Then everything going well. Now you know how to install your inner lamp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channel. Then you can get lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you. See you with the next video.